Site-specific plan amendment nomination PC 19-LE-008 concerns property located in the Springfield Community Business Center, or CBC, in the Franconia-Springfield area, northwest of the intersection of Interstate 95 and Franconia Road. The single 1.4-acre parcel, though it has a Brandon Avenue address, fronts on to Augusta Drive, which is a privately owned but publicly accessible road which parallels I-95 and crosses under Commerce Street to the south. The site does have access from Brandon Avenue through the neighboring parcel to its west, which contains a 4-story Marriott hotel. These two parcels were included in a common proffered rezoning that still governs the sites. The hotel portion of the rezoning plan was built on the adjacent parcel, while the subject property was intended to develop as a freestanding restaurant, which was never built. The neighboring property to the north is developed with a 5-story office building, and Interstate 95 is directly adjacent to the east and lies approximately 10 feet lower than the site. This view from the east shows the scale of the surrounding uses. The subject property remains vacant except for gravel surface parking and underground stormwater management associated with the hotel development. The site is subject to a current notice of violation, which is under appeal, for unpermitted new vehicle storage and a contractor's office and shop occurring on the site. The subject property is located within an area designated by the comprehensive plan as Land Unit A of the Springfield CBC. The CBC plan presents a detailed vision for the transformation of the area from its current conditions into a vibrant mixed-use area. Land Unit A will become the central node of activity within the CBC, featuring urban, pedestrian-oriented mixed-use development at medium to high intensities. The Commerce Street corridor is envisioned as a multimodal main street corridor connecting the CBC to the Franconia-Springfield transit station area, east of I-95. The overlay plan recommendation for Land Unit A, which includes the subject property, supports the development of multi-story and high-rise buildings with a mix of residential, office, hotel, and civic uses, with street-level retail, all developed with a common design or architectural theme. The planned intensity for all of Land Unit A is an overall floor area ratio of 1.6, which means the square feet of development could equal approximately 1.6 times the square footage of the property. Properties in the core area, however, may exceed that planned overall intensity level. Additional streetscape guidance is included to ensure the development of an urban, pedestrian-oriented environment, including the recommendation for a corner plaza entry feature at the intersection of Commerce Street and Augusta Drive. The plan also contains an additional development option specific to the subject parcel for up to 125,000 square feet of office use, or approximately 2.0 floor area ratio, with a maximum height of 160 feet to serve as a gateway feature to this Franconia-Springfield area. The SSPA nomination proposes an additional option for a 7-story tall self-storage building with ground floor retail or restaurant use at an intensity of up to 175,000 square feet, or a floor area ratio of 3.0. Considered in the context of the larger CBC plan, staff does not consider a self-storage building as the type of use that would contribute to the plan objectives of creating the vibrant, active pedestrian environment envisioned in the CBC, nor would it project the intended character and identity of the area as a gateway feature. Finally, a purpose-built self-storage building may not be conducive to repurposing for other uses that may better serve the CBC as it continues to redevelop in the future. For these reasons, staff finds the proposed self-storage facility not in harmony with area-wide guidance for the Springfield CBC and believes that there are sufficient development options available under current plan recommendations for the site. Therefore, staff recommends that PC 19-LE-008 not be added to the Comprehensive Plan Amendment Work Program.